Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Wendy from Soap Beautiful. Today I'll be making Christmas rose soap. Yep, I'm making Christmas soap so early just because I have some leftover soaps and I piped them into little roses. And the soap dough, I just mold them into little tiny balls, and then I figure they are Christmas colors. They are in green and red. That's why we're gonna make Christmas soap. But we're gonna cure the soap for 4 to 8 weeks anyways, so we're gonna get ready for Christmas. The essential oil, I'm using geranium, and half of them are rose fragrance oils. Okay, let's get started. Because geranium and rose essential oils, they tend to accelerate the trace and cause rising, like cause little clumps in the soap. So I'm adding them while it is still pretty light trace, just in case if there's any rising, then I can blend them more. So although half of my fragrance oils are geranium essential oils, I still want to be cautious because I don't want to see any rise in the soap. But it seems like it's good.